Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 memory kit, specifically the 64GB, 2x32GB, configuration running at a blistering 6,400 metric tons S with a CL32 latency. This kit is designed for desktop users who demand top-tier performance, whether it's for gaming, content creation, or any other memory-intensive task. First impressions are always important, and the Fury Beast doesn't disappoint. The heat spreaders have a sleek, aggressive design that will look great in any build. But it's not just about aesthetics. These heat spreaders are crucial for keeping the memory cool, especially when running at these high speeds. Now, let's talk about performance. This kit is rated for 6,400 metric tons S, which is seriously fast. To get the most out of it, you'll want to enable either the AMD Expo or XMP profiles in your BIOS. The kit includes both, offering excellent compatibility for both AMD and Intel platforms. For AMD users, the Expo profiles are specifically tuned for Ryzen processors, promising optimized performance and stability. Intel users can leverage the XMP 3.0 profiles for a similar experience. One of the standout features of this kit is its plug-and-play functionality. While you'll still want to enable the Expo or XMP profile for the rated speeds, the memory will run at a JEDEC default speed out of the box. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of systems, even if you're not quite ready to dive into overclocking. Speaking of overclocking, the Fury Beast offers improved stability, giving you headroom to push the memory even further. The kit also includes a user-programmable profile, allowing you to fine-tune the settings to your specific needs and system configuration. This level of customization is a huge plus for enthusiasts who love to tinker. In terms of real-world performance, this memory kit shines. Games load faster, applications feel snappier, and multitasking becomes a breeze. If you're a content creator, you'll appreciate the reduced render times and smoother performance when working with large files. The 64GB capacity is also a game changer, allowing you to run multiple demanding applications simultaneously without any slowdown. The CL32 latency is also worth noting. Lower latency generally translates to better performance, and this kit strikes a good balance between speed and latency. It's not the absolute lowest latency you can find, but it's a sweet spot that delivers excellent overall performance. Overall, the Kingston Fury Beast 64GB DDR5-6400CL32 memory kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's performance. It's fast, stable, and offers excellent compatibility with both AMD and Intel platforms. The plug-and-play functionality and user-programmable profile add even more value, making it a versatile option for both novice and experienced users. If you're in the market for a high-performance memory kit, the Fury Beast should definitely be on your list.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.